in action. We're back in the action, boys. Yo, it's been a minute, man. This last week, there was like 4 or 5 birthdays to attend. One of them being old cameraman Adam, if you remember him. Had to do it right for the boys. So back to real life. It's been nice, but glad to be back. Thank you for joining back. So you guys like it? I mean, it's no freaking secret, bro. My channel has actually had a lot of real, look me in the eye and understand, real jewelry reviews and stuff like that, but a lot of times we do the fake, if you will, the cheap stuff. It's no secret you guys liked that. Therefore, I think I found a website, maybe I knew about it for a while, that's got like probably like the world's cheapest jewelry. Just don't quote me on that at all. Might be a blatant lie. I say that with a lot of room for error, but this site, in my opinion, is a great website, and we're gonna get into it now. Thumbs up, comment down below, boys. Engagement needs to be up for Shadow BAN to like somewhat lift, but we're always gonna be screwed. Anyway, boys, to be 100% transparent, it's my website, you know? You guys are gonna figure it out to begin with. Now, with what I do, if you wanna live the life of, like, making your own money and not having to listen to a boss, which I just, like, I can't say I can't do it, but I just refuse to, which never really did well for me at work at all. In order to do that, you guys have heard it, man, you need multiple sources of income to keep it 100% real. This has also been my marketing strategy with everything. Be the buyer, you know what I mean? Get the buyer's attention, and then I'm trying to sound smart, bro. Shut up, Brad. Think about this. You know what I realized? I just talk without thinking, and that's it's become an issue lately. For a long time now. Look at what the buyer wants, you know what I mean? What would I want as a consumer? What I like is pure honesty, you know what I mean? To a certain degree. Now, this website, I've never said that it's has the best jewelry out there, but I try to give you the coolest price, the stuff we're gonna go through, and I also have another reason for this. I just wanted to get, because I work on this a lot, I actually really enjoy like picking out pieces. I just wanted to catch the vibe of this video. We'll go through some stuff. I've added some new stuff. See what you guys dig, what you don't dig, and maybe I'll get your input, because that, at the end of the day, you guys are the potential buyers. I don't have the answers, you do. So whatever makes you happy. Anyway, let's shop on my website. I'm sure a lot of you guys haven't seen it in a while. I'm quite stoked. I'll put some more stuff on it that I think we might dig. And here we are, boys, right when you go on the page, NameBranFam.com. You see that header with me and Selena? I've actually been working on a new one just to switch it up a little bit. We've had this for a while, and I love graphic design, but I'm kind of stuck right now with what I really, because the next one has to be really dope. Anyway, you go on the website, boys, complete shill. If you know what that means like I'm definitely promoting as I do this, but mainly, of course, right? Or else I wouldn't be doing a video, but mainly, I do want your guys' input on it. Now, also, one thing I do want to say, I had to hire somebody new recently. Everyone that's ordered up until this date, you're straight, guys. Your orders have been filled, and everything's being shipped out, so it's all good. Let's just go with all products here. You can see at the top, boys. Then there's everything free. We can click on that, and that's where you can add 1 or 2 pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. I just want to get your vibes on this, so I'm really going to be looking for comments. I kind of want to go, we haven't done a shopping video in a while either, bro. This is one I added recently. It's a $100 bill. This one just reminds me of like that Supreme one that came out a long time ago, probably 4 or 5 years ago by now. It was a hefty price, but it looked pretty much exactly like that. But I owned it at one point, and I actually ended up reselling it for less than I bought it for. Don't know why. That was, I mean, mic drop, diamond. It's kind of cool. There's some of these on here that I actually like, I didn't think would do too well, and I still want to take them off, but you guys seem to enjoy them. I think a lot of this is dope, bro. It's a style I'm after. Once again, the quality is not gonna, like, you get what you pay for, but it's gonna be like much cheaper than what I've seen, at least, than what you see in your kiosks. Now, this one right here, boys, I'm gonna just stop for a second. This comfy wireless headphones, I don't care if you buy it or not. I just want you guys to know I've got a bunch, and I've ordered a bunch more to like give for gifts, like, I don't know, Christmas coming up, I'm not sure. I've just already given some away. I love sleeping with these, bro. I talk too much in my head at night. It drives me nuts, so I can't sleep. So I'm always sleeping with things in my ears, but then those fall out and it pisses me off, and then I get tangled up like a damn rattlesnake around my leg. Anyway, it's Bluetooth. Pretty good sound. I mean, it's not a surround sound, but they've got like the little whatever the hell you call those, the things that hit your ears in here. I sleep with this thing, I look dumb. You can also just wear it, I don't know, this is just like probably my biggest recommendation. Anyway, comfy wireless headphones, those will cost you some money though. This one I just added. You guys let me know what styles you like. See, I was going with the classics, you know, like the classic icy NameBran star ring. That was a big vibe for a while. I think it kind of dropped off in terms of style. I still love it, bro. I still love it a lot. It's just kind of a cool one. This diamond nail ring, man. I just think these are dope. This diamond single tooth. We got a lot of sales on it. Just know that, well, you should know for the price, it's not actually molded to you. You put it in. Sometimes it can look wonky. I've seen it look really good, like on my girl, because she actually has like regular teeth. But you know, just being 100% honest on that one, these double tooth grills, that's just a classic NameBran style. See, I'm looking at these, bro. I think I picked some like really cool things. You know what I mean? Twitter, I got a tweet. It's probably a retweet. Maybe I'll get some attention. Anyway, you guys kind of get the premise of what I'm doing here. I really just want input. I could just talk for hours. This is why I like these shopping videos. And also, my girl loves me. She's gotta love me, bro. She said yes to me with the whole ring thing. I gotta put that back on. Like I said, we're partying this weekend. I'm just kidding, boys. But nah, I lost a little bit of weight. I gotta get it resized. What do you guys dig? So there's certain ones. This icy $ chain, I would never wear that, bro. I want to take it off so bad, but a lot of you guys like it. And it's been getting purchases. So like there's those things where it's like, I guess there's certain things that I don't think is that sick. Like obviously I had one of these, I think I got stolen or I lost it. I had a real one though. None of these are real, by the way. Nothing real gold, nothing real silver. Some are plated and shit, but like I can't be swearing. This one I just added to. That one I'm kind of excited for. Don't expect it to tell time, but I think it's an email. Oh, it might be a brand deal. Oh man, I'm in a mood. All right, so anyway, the Bitcoin one, dope. I love crypto, obviously. You guys know it too much. Blessed. I've shown this off quite a few times. You know, it is what it is. The setting, not the best, but you're getting 2 free things for the price of 1 shipping, boys. God damn. Can you get it cheaper some other places? 100%. You could, if you want to go find it, you can. Oh, we have the dad hats at one point. I love that Love You one with the P Ron Hub style. I should probably get one of those, but I look weird in a dad hat, so it would just mostly be a collectible item. This one was a solid one for me to add because I used to own a bunch of these before I started buying the real jewelry and stuff. If you look at my channel like 10 years ago, I was always wearing these type of things, so it's a lot of stuff I was wearing before. This nail bracelet, we got a mystery box on there too, boys, to be honest. I've purchased a couple. To help my own bag, but didn't actually really help my own bag, but obviously, you know, I got samples in and made sure. See the Selena T, so that's what we got, boys. What do we need? This 23, once again, the diamonds are probably not gonna look that sick on it, but 23, the GOAT, you know what I mean? I'd probably wear it. Yeah, I'd probably wear a MJ. Yeah. You gotta respect the hustle. This one right here, man, I used to have one of these way back in the day as well. So I think that's all of our products. What do y'all want to see more of, bro? It's kind of, oh yeah, we got more hats and stuff. I guess we missed some stuff. I try to keep it really simple, and another thing I try to do is keep it really like unprofessional. I just like the vibe of it. Obviously you see how I do my videos. Although it takes a lot of effort, I like it to be effortless looking. That's just a vibe I like, and this is just simple to shop. So that's kind of my thoughts. We had a bunch of Selena Gomez pillowcases on here. I had to take those off, bro. In like 3 or 4 years, we had never got a sale. I thought they were dope. I owned some, but apparently, you know, y'all were really vibing with it. Anyway, that's the website. It's just really up to questioning. What do you guys, another tweet. What do you guys, I guess, want to see and stuff like that. The header I'm gonna work on again, probably right after editing this video. Yeah, I really enjoy just putting stuff on that website, and we've done really well in the past. Obviously right now, I've kind of slowed down on the marketing of it and stuff like that. I just kind of have fun shopping for these items and putting them on and stuff like that, and like figuring out what products we want. That's just, I don't know, it's kind of joyful when you smoke a little something and then you're chilling with a coffee too late at night. Appreciate you guys. We'll get back to, we did a really cool custom video the other day, bro. I knew it wouldn't get any views, but I thought it was fun. It was like the old days, you know what I mean? But it's funny, y'all are always like, bring back the customs, But then I bring back the customs and they don't get views. I can already see it happening or coming, but it's whatever, boys. I enjoyed doing that one to a certain extent. Then I busted my knee up. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. There's NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. Yeah.